thought about the Decepticons, I wanted them to evoke that feeling of the 80s.
Shatter and Dropkick were the first 2 triple changers we've ever done in a live-action film.
The idea to have triple changers in this film came from the original toy line, that you could have something that transforms into a robot and one vehicle and then a separate vehicle. And I think it's so fun to see it in cinematic form.
We believe a dangerous criminal from our world is hiding on yours.
These 2 Decepticons, they're the baddest of the badasses. I loved everything about it.